Hey everyone, so a few of you have asked me about how to use the map on the Nissan Note stereo. So this is my Nissan Note, this is a 2012 one. If I press map, right, first thing to note, you've always got to accept, and then nav is to get directions. I always go destination, then new address, and just put the postcode in straight away. That's the easiest way for me. You can see you can change the country, but that depends on what card you've got, and I'll talk about that in a moment. Now, if you are, oh, there you go, I've got a wide range of countries in mind. If you are looking at, or you're seeing the error that says about SD card, it's this. If I take this out, you see that is the SD map, and you see no SD card inserted. So what you're looking for is an SD card like this. Okay, take a screenshot of that. I'll put the details in the comment. You can get these on eBay, map data, and you just need that card, and it just slots in there, okay? Now, hopefully I haven't crashed it by doing that mid-operation, but there you go. It just loads, just like a memory card on a phone or whatever. And there you've got all your data as well from that. You can obviously set up your home. Previous destinations I always use, to be honest. I'm using that all the time, and you can use the spin wheel to cycle through a bit faster. You can tap the up and down arrows and whatever else. And options, I don't know why, but on mine, okay, so I can use the wheel, and I can just click the wheel as well if I want to turn those on and off. If I come to setup, actually, the system, for some reason, the clock, let's say, I don't know why. Sometimes the clock on this gets out of sync. So sometimes I just have to do set clock manually. I really don't understand, because you think GPS would be the most reliable clocks of all. But hey, there you go. Press the back button to get out of that. And you got the touch click, beep tones, factory settings, and all in here. No, I don't want to reset. I'll just press back to get out of that. I don't really ever use the traffic messages, but you know, I don't know how accurate it is, but there it is. And then you've got your Bluetooth pairing as well if you want to pair various Bluetooth devices. Now, I don't need to actually do that. And you've got preferences on your map setup and so on here as well. Just a quick note, if I come into the map and I do the scroll, if I long press or just press, what I want to do then, I can set a destination on the map, set. Save that as a favorite or set as destination. Equally, if I scroll out and then I can drag, you know, whatever way, I can tap on the map. Obviously that's a bit of a wild guess, but, and then press set as destination, and it's going to give me directions to there. I got the zoom wheel here, which I'm always using, to be honest. And it's calculating.
The route has been calculated.
Okay, and over here you can see you've got the time to destination. When you're actually driving, I'm obviously stationary now. It does tell you the time to your next turn, or the distance to your next turn as well. So total journey and arrival time, but then it will show that distance to next turn. I mean, that's the gist of it with the maps. I hope you found it useful. Oh yeah, you can also press the traffic button up here, but I don't really do that ever. And like I said, map is just to see it. Nav is to get directions. So if you're in here somewhere, just press the map and you see your existing route. Oh, and last point, I suppose, cancel route. Yes. So map, cancel route, and you're out, and press back, and you're all good. So there it is. I hope you found it useful, and like and subscribe for more. I'll see you in another video soon. Thanks for watching.